Grinch had a thing for sexy who ladies, but never took care of his Ratchet who babies.
Yo, these who's wanna be naughty, and I done tried to play nice. A Grinch be like, hey shawty, ain't you some who wife? They say I'm a mean one, Mr. Grinch. I'm a low-class, broke-ass bug. I'm as grimy as a gangster and as slimy as a slug, Mr. Grinch.
To working around the Ratchet tree at our Christmas party for two. Mistletoe hung, but we ain't got men, so we eat till we can't move.
Christmas.
Dig in a box.
Hanukkah.
Dig in a box.
Kwanzaa.
A dig in a box. Every single holiday, dig in a box.
Everybody look at the snow in the yard.
Ho, 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 under the mistletoe. Yes, everybody knows we will take off our clothes. Yes, if you want us to, we will. You, oh, Christmas, my Christmas tree's delicious. Oh, oh, Christmas, my Christmas tree's delicious.
Ship my trousers. Right here. Ship my trousers. You're kidding.
You can ship your trousers right here.
Mary, did you hear that?
I did, Bob. I just may ship me bloomers.
Yes, you should ship your bloomers, and Jimmy, you should ship your trousers, too.
I can't wait to ship my trousers. Trousers, Dad.
I just shipped my petticoats, and it was very expedient.
Very expedient.
I just shipped my wardrobe.
I just shipped my robe.
I just shipped my bed.
If you can't find what you're looking for in store, we'll find it for you at Kmart.com right now and ship it to you for free. Shop your way at Kmart. Get in, get more Christmas.
I brought these gifts for you. They're up in my bum.
Tell me a Christmas story.
Twas the night before Christmas, and all little Timmy put on his Christmas list was that he could spend Christmas with his mama, cause his mama was admitted to the hospital because she went into cardiac arrest after sucking too many dicks, cause his mama was a hoe. So the doctor told little Timmy on Christmas Day that she was gonna live. But the diagnosis was wrong and then she died the next day.
Tell me another one.
Good night.